everyone, this is Sumit Jha and I am going to present about my project fire detection system using wireless sensor network. So I am going to cover like this topic: introduction, problem statement, proposed work, system design, implementation, result, conclusion and references. Fire detection system using wireless sensor network has an objective to reduce the fire and minimize the loss to detect the early stage of fire. Wireless sensor network is using to collect the data from different sensors like flame sensor, smoke sensor, humidity sensor and compile the data using Arduino and act accordingly to the situation. Each sensor have some characteristic to sense this situation, like flame sensor can use to detect the firelight. Smoke sensor can use to detect smoke because whenever fire occurred, smoke comes automatically and smoke sensor senses the same. We have used different type of sensors and other components like DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. A humidity sensor senses, measures and reports both moisture and air temperature. Relative humidity becomes an important factor when looking for comfort. Flame sensor. A flame sensor is one kind of detector which is mainly designed for detecting as well as responding to occurrence of a fire or flame. Smoke sensor MQ02. A gas sensor is an electronic sensor used for sensing the concentration of gases in the air such as LPG, propane, methane, hydrogen, smoke and carbon monoxide. This sensor range is 200 to 10,000 RPM. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with Arduino. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is a self-contained source with integrated TCP/IP protocol stack that can give any microcontroller access to your Wi-Fi network. Relay dongle 5 volt DC. The module is triggered high trigger current less than 5 mA. Part of the single chip input output port. Output capability is weak. Pull or increase the drive capability of the circuit. Water pump. A water pump can be used an irrigation pump. You can easily get water out of the well and use it. So we have seen the problem in our society. We have seen many times the fire in forest and the fire big disaster due to less activity in forest or less human presence or might be negligence of small flame or smoke. Because of these small mistakes, sometimes it's difficult or control the fire and fire is keep going on and expanding the area. We have seen the difficult situation due to fire like in Australia was fire is the perfect example of loss because of fire. We can use the system to handle fire and minimize the loss and enhance the living of human. Explain so how such a system might function. Like sensors are connect with Arduino and Arduino is which these sensors provide and we collect the data using wireless sensor network. We get all the data in graphical format as well as and other what whenever sensor data point reach on threshold value, the preventive measures like water flow will start and the system will be taken care of the situation and these work will take approximately 2 seconds. Overview the fire detection system. Like you have seen the picture, both sensors and ESP module, relay module and power pump both are connected in power hub. We have designed the system to work in case of fire DFD. So a data flow diagram is a way to representing a flow of data to process or a system. The DFD also provide information about the outputs and input to each entity and the process itself. A data flow diagram has no control flow. There are no decision rules and no loops. Specific operations based on the data can be represented by flowchart. DFD level 0. A level 0 data flow diagram, also known as a context diagram, show a data system as a whole and emphasize the way it interacts with internal entities. The DFD level 0 examples show how such a system might function. DFD level 1, as described previously, context diagram level 0 DFDs as diagram where the whole system is represented as a single process. A level 1 DFD notates each of the main sub-processes that together form the complete system. Like every component is connected with Arduino. Humidity sensor, smoke sensor, flame sensor, server, situation checkpoint, relay, water pump, everything is connected with Arduino. An activity diagram is a behavioral diagram. The behavior of a system. An activity diagram portrays the control flow from a start point to finish point, showing the various decision paths that exist while the activity is being executed. Now we have taken different type of sensors like flame sensor, smoke sensor and humidity sensor, and we have used Arduino relay and water pump etc. We have ESP transceiver module to get the data. We have also used power hub to provide the power to the components, and we use tongling system to take the preventive measures, and it will start water flow and fire will be reduced. So this is a hardware implementation. Different types of sensor, water pump, power hub and relay tongling, ESP module. Everything is connected with power hub and ESP. So I am going to demonstrate the project.
Now I am going to demonstrate the project, which is fire detection system using wireless sensor network. I am light the matches box. I am going to create the smoke first. The smoke sensor will detect the smoke, and after that Arduino software you are using to get the data from the sensor, and software send the data from my system. So whenever smoke pertains in the forest, so immediately sensor sends the smoke and Arduino software will collect the data and it will reflect into my system. It will find my system without any wire using the wireless sensor network. So work for the sensor used to take precautionary step before even fire happens. So this sensor step provide find to take action appropriately, prevent the fire before it arises. It is all about smoke. Data got changed, create smoke environment. Now I am create the flame using a matches stick. So when explained same immediately flame. When explained some immediately flame sensor sense the flame. It will sense to Arduino, and Arduino software will send the data to my system, and immediately Arduino will trigger to toggle after some saturation point have decided the saturation point when fire need to be stopped. So immediately by flame sensor reach the threshold value immediately. Arduino software allow relay tangle to trigger that toggle. Then toggle will trigger immediately, water pump will open. So we can stop the fire at that initial stage only. So this is entire system which we can use instead of forest fire. So it will helping in case of fire.
Like fire detection system using wireless sensor network, and our system works as expected. So we have successfully collected the data from different kind of sensors. When sensor data point reached on threshold value, then preventive measures will be taken care by system itself. So we can minimize monetary loss and sustain the environment for future in case of fire. Like they can easily be set off and cause problems. They can break down. They are expensive and self-heating. So their future scope is this can be possible with help of a full-scale test with reading and reading of temperature and the smoke density. It can be expected this that sensor component can be used extensively beyond the realm of fire protection. There are constant sensor software updates due to growing awareness of sensor technology. Sensor component is very helpful in modeling fume and hot gas progress. A reference. Okay. Okay, thanks.